In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are seeing this no SIM or no service error on your iPhone running iOS 26. So the first thing you need to do is head to the settings app and enable the airplane mode toggle. Now simply wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. This will allow your iPhone to reconnect to the network and hopefully solve the problem. However, if you still experience problems, go to mobile service and make sure your SIM card is not disabled from here. So make sure this turn on this line toggle is enabled. Now go back to the previous menu, tap on network selection and then make sure this automatic toggle is enabled. If it's not enabled, you can enable it from here. Now go back to the main settings page, scroll down and then tap on screen time. Now here tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now make sure this content and privacy restriction is disabled. Now go back to the main settings page, scroll up and then tap on general. Here you will need to scroll down and then tap on date and time. Now make sure you have set the date and time to automatic. If it's set to manual or if it's incorrect, you may experience problems. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to go to this transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and then select reset network settings from here. Once you do, your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply force restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button and then press and quickly release the volume down button and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and then wait for your iPhone to boot back up. Once it does, your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch.